Novus Sensors began in 1998 with the genesis of infrared development by its three founders, Mark Massey, Sue Hodges, and Chris Baxter. Understanding the foundation of every good infrared camera is the focal plane array, and the efficiency and capability of the focal plane array rests with the readout integrated circuit. Novus Sensors grew out of the design and fabrication of the readout integrated circuit. Hiring camera electronics design expertise to include firmware and software developers, and subsequently began building infrared cameras. Over the past 12 years, Nova developed and built 12 infrared camera models designed to work in different frequency ranges of the electromagnetic spectrum. More recently, Nova is focused on taking the camera electronics know-how to market. Nova has introduced two new products, the Anacapa Sweer 640, a 640 by 512 shortwave infrared camera, and the Eagle, a 640 by 512 midwave infrared camera.
Nova Sensors is leading the field and thrilling customers with state-of-the-art readout circuitry, providing on-focal plane array processing. These designs greatly enhance situational awareness by the instantaneous selection between higher frame rates and higher spatial resolution, thereby providing both. We do this in real time throughout the entire field of view of the focal plane array. Full custom and commercially available mixed signal readout integrated circuit design is Nova Sensors' specialty. We have developed mid-format and large format readout integrated circuits for use with indium antimonide for midwave infrared response, mercury cadmium telluride for both midwave and longwave response, indium gallium arsenide for near infrared and SWIR response, and quantum well infrared photodiode detector arrays for longwave. Nova Sensors is joining forces now with Teledyne Imaging Sensors from California. This will facilitate a cohesive interrelationship in the development and the productization of infrared cameras throughout the spectrum. Nova Sensors has designed, built, and tested cameras for military customers, including the intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance community.
Incorporating low-power compact camera electronics, Nova Sensors offers cameras covering a wide range of applications, including hostile fire identification, missile launch detection classification, and dismount identification and tracking. The flexible open architecture of Nova's versatile infrared electronics allows inexpensive adaptation of components to virtually any focal plane array. End users get maximum customization options with minimal, non-reoccurring engineering costs. No other camera product line offers customers such options.
We have flexible tools and the experience to accommodate cameras, electronics to any focal plane array in the industry. We have modified our board set and the population of those boards to fit the particular application and overall system. This particular FPA is a 640 by 512 midway detector inside an IDCA that will be deployed on a mastered gimbal device on a manned ground vehicle. In this case, we have configured our electronics to fit on the backside of the IDCA as opposed to the side on other cameras. The design tool we are using is called SolidWorks and is extremely flexible. Within a month's time, we can redesign the base set of electronics. They are designed for better reliability, easier manufacturability, and final assembly. Through our versatile set of electronics, we can drive any FPA in the industry for a different set of applications.
Having worked in the infrared industry for a number of years, I have seen many advances in the technology. One of the areas where we at Nova Sensors excel is in the design of advanced focal plane arrays. We're experts at bringing processing onto the readout integrated circuit with the advantage of producing a lower size, weight, and power system.
Nova's specialization in design and development has produced a low-noise, highly integrated miniature camera electronics that operates in both visible and infrared focal plane arrays. From the circuitry that runs our own variable acuity superpixel imaging, cooled or uncooled, to the flexible electronics we can adapt to FPAs from other manufacturers. Nova Sensors has a host of customizable miniature camera electronic solutions. Nova Sensors has placed itself at the forefront of the competition with our Anacapa 640 by 512 shortwave infrared camera. The camera was designed for man-portable and unmanned aerial vehicle applications. It is small, lightweight, low power, and priced very competitively. The best mid-wave infrared image in the industry, the Eagle 640 by 512 mid-wave infrared camera. Designed for small UAV integration, weighing only 1.175 pounds without lens. Built for size, weight, and power optimization, either for static, air, or ground-mounted platforms. Easy integration, custom applications welcomed.
Nova Sensors developed the Anacapa shortwave infrared 640 by 512 in under 6 months, and the Eagle midwave infrared 640 by 512 in just 3 months. What camera do you need, and for what application? We can do it for you. Notwithstanding an enviable record of achievement, Nova Sensors is still a young company, lithe, flexible, ambitious, stretching itself in the market. Our infrared team, no mere collection of individuals, is an interwoven intelligence of experienced, adroit professionals at the top of their field and the height of their game. Offered a challenge, the team's answer, of course we customize. What do you need? Need a closer look? Nova Sensors can help.
Applications include, but are not limited to, persistent surveillance, multiple dismount tracking, reconnaissance, security from Port Authority to space-based, airborne, man or unmanned, masted camera placement, gas detection, and industrial inspection.
Nova has many years of experience in the field of readout integrated circuit design. We have designed and implemented camera systems small and large format, up to 1K and 2K. From vanilla and foveating ROICs, giving the camera the ability to see large fields of view in low resolution with windows in high resolution, saving bits of data, bandwidth, or increasing up to muzzle flash frame rates or higher.
To acquire a Nova Sensors infrared camera, contact Tony Vengel. To learn more about our capabilities and products, go to our website at www.novasensors.com. Come see us at our location in the beautiful San Ynez Valley, located just north of Santa Barbara, or at our booth at industry conferences. Check out our website for locations.